Hi there, everyone. It is currently the 12th of April, 2015. Meteorologist Robert Spetta here with you today. Today's topic of conversation, we're really going to be talking about what's going on out here in the easterlies across Northeast Asia and the Western Pacific. Kind of the start of the rainy season front, really kind of kicking off here as we go ahead into the mid parts of May. And you can even see this here on the satellite picture. Our area of low pressure now starting to truck its way across the East China Sea. It is bringing some passing showers for those of you across the southern Japanese islands, even including those of you into the Okinawa area. Also a separate low, still bringing some showers there over towards North Korea. And really that is the main feature out here. We have the Westpac high down here towards the south. A little bit of a low, and I wouldn't even call this a low. And the only reason why I'm seeing it because on visible satellite imagery, you can kind of see a spiral where this low pressure area is right here. That is pushing some showers in and around the Mindanao area. Nothing severe. This is some fantastic news. You need the rain there. So there's some good news there for you, but really that's all I'm going to be talking about, that and the tropics for that matter. Very quiet, nothing in the long-range models. This is just the main topic across this area. And actually right now on the radar from the Japan Meteorological Agency, you can even see these showers here extending all the way down through the southern Japanese islands. That's going to be the case here on Sunday basically, but as we head into Monday, this low is going to start to work its way off here towards the northeast. And you can even see here, this is by Monday morning. We have our center of circulation really starting to move over Kyushu, expecting some widespread rain showers here. Some areas as much as 50 to 100 millimeters could occur. And then eventually it starts to work its way across much of Honshu, moving through the Tokyo area. Now, see this down here towards the south, I do expect some thunderstorms to really line up for those of you across the southern Japanese islands as we head into your Monday. And one of the main reasons for this is basically you have much warmer air over here towards the east, and you have that cold air starting to spill in from the west behind it. And actually, let's go ahead and I'll put the temperature gradient with the winds up here on the map, and you can just see these winds spilling in. This is much colder over here, and that warm air surging in, and right along that clash plus in a strong upper level jet, we're going to be seeing some strong thunderstorms flare up. Even over there towards the east, though, I do think parts of the Pacific coastline of Japan, including those of you around the Kii Peninsula extending up through the Kanagawa area, could be seeing some thunderstorms, especially those of you into the Izu Islands just off the coast of Japan. But this is going to extend all the way down, even bring some passing showers for those of you into Taiwan. Some fantastic news. Taiwan, very severe drought in place for northwestern portions of the island, so any rain out here is definitely going to be some welcome news. And then as we extend out through Tuesday, really the showers even continue to kick up until they finally taper off heading into Wednesday for the Tokyo area, but still some passing showers off here towards the west. Korea starts to clear up, and then it's not until later in the week when we actually see another low begin to develop along this front, which I like to call the early stages of the rainy season front. Main reason is this is exactly what you would see with the rainy season front. You have this extended area of low pressure between the Siberian high and the Westpac high, and it fires up a low every basically 2 to 3, possibly 4 to 5 days across that line, and that's just running with the upper level jet. So that's really what we're going to be seeing out here over the next several days. So if you are across Japan, the start of the work week, wouldn't hurt to have an umbrella with you. If you are here in the Philippines, it's summer, guys. I'm sorry. If you're down here towards the south, things are going to remain on the hot side. Some clear days outside of those passing showers there in Mindanao. See the 72-hour rainfall outlook with the ECMWF. This is courtesy of Weather Bell. Still showers back here towards the west. The heaviest stuff is going to be located, as I mentioned, from the Kii Peninsula, extending over to the Tokyo area. Some of those thunderstorms could become quite strong. Little thing here I'm going to try out. This is all in kanji. I'm actually working on some graphics here, but it's actually the kanji symbol for Tokyo. And what we're going to be seeing over the next several days is those showers there on Getsuyobi on Monday here with a high of 13. But the big thing is with that low coming in from the south, it is going to pump that warm air in. So on Tuesday, showers starting to taper off, but the high starts to climb up to about 17 with some cloudy skies there on Wednesday. Really don't expect too much of the rain, but a high of 22 in the Tokyo area. So if you are basically across the Kanto or the Greater Tokyo metro area, or basically much of central Japan, very similar forecasts expected out here for you. That's all I'm going to be talking about for today. Just a quick little update, tossing together. Basically, the big topic this week is going to be those showers passing overhead along that rainy season front. Down towards the south, though, nothing really flaring up in the tropics. As I mentioned before, we're just going to be seeing that high pressure dominate with those afternoon thunderstorms Really, nothing organized. All right, guys, thanks again for watching here at westernpacificweather.com. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, as always, I do appreciate your feedback. Please post them down there in the comment box below. And as always, stay safe out there.